Okay, this video is going to show you how to handle those variable costs and fixed costs and capital costs and inflation and wage increases. Okay, so we're scrolling down now to expenditures, and what you need to do is you need to figure out all of these expenses, each one individually, if they're a fixed cost, if they're a variable cost, which means you can decide to spend more or less money, or if they're a capital cost. So capital meaning, again, you look at the definitions from the hour one and in the attachment that I sent to you, but you'll have to figure out, is materials something that's variable, that you have a choice of either spending or not spending? Is staff training something you have a choice of spending or not spending? So once you've identified what kind of costs, what kind of expense each of these things are, then you need to think about the instructions down here where it says notes, inflation is running at 1%, staff get a 1.5% raise. So if you know staff wages are going up by 1.5%, then this cell right here, you need to take what the wage was in 2019 and multiply it by 1.5%. And if you're not sure how to do that, you can scroll up the page and you can look at my example here. Remember, they got an increase of 1%. Oh, that's how you do it. You times by 0.01, and if it's a half, it'll be 1.5%. Okay? And then you're going to put that calculation right in here. So this is B17. So you know how to do this from when you did Excel. So it's going to say equal B17 plus, in brackets, B17 times, what are you going to put? 0.015. Right? And if you're not sure, just double check it again. 0.01 was 1%, so 0. And see, it's gone up just a little bit. And it doesn't matter if they get a budget cut or a budget increase. They know for sure that cost is going up 1%, 1.5%. So you're going to fill in these cells for everything that you do know. So you know that one's going up and any of the other ones. And when that's done, whatever cells you don't have any money put in, okay, those are probably your variable costs. And those are the ones you can play with based on your priorities.